Well, hello there. Welcome to another break here from Bounty Hunter Breaks. This is Boba Fett Me, and today I've got the recently released 2020-21 Stature Hockey from Upper Deck. A very long delayed product, one of several products from 2021 that still had yet to be released. This actually came out on Wednesday, but you get typically 8 cards in a pack, although there have been some boxes that contain an extra card, so you get 9, but it's just a single pack. So basically this is what it looks like. I picked this up today from my LCS. I know I had gone in there on Thursday, and they had the 2 boxes, but I figured it's not a really big hockey area here. But this does not feel super thick, so I don't believe I got an RPA, but who knows? I do know that there have been some quality control issues with the product in regards to centering and stuff. But yep, no super thick card. But we'll take and we'll do it slow roll. So I'll grab a decoy and set it down there. So it starts off with a Gordie Howe base. And since the surface is fairly shiny, we'll sleeve everything regardless of whether or not it's a hit, just to protect it. Next card should be another base. It's going to be a vet, John LeClair, for the Flyers. So at least these ones so far, although that is a little off center, it's kicked that way. But I've seen some that, because it's even down too far, because if you compare it to the Howe is pretty much perfectly centered. And then you look at that LeClair and you can see it's down and to the right. So the next one should be a rookie. And it's an Arthur Kaliev, 110 of 399. So it's like just a base. And these should be 75 point. So sleeve that. Looks like a parallel. The next one could be a parallel rookie. Oh no, it's just a protege insert. So this is to 149. Got a Dylan Cousins, or Cousins, however you want to say his last name. So we'll sleeve that. Next, wrong rookie for the Dallas Stars. It would have been nice to be Jason Robertson, but Thomas Harley, 95 of 175, so it's a nice color match. So there's the back of his. So now I'll go to the back, because the thing is, it should be the hit. So I got a Josh Norris protege. Not numbered. For the Senators. Of course, it would be nice if that was the autograph version. Next, from the back, well, I guess I revealed the autograph too early. That's a nice clean looking auto. I know some of the ones from this are kind of suspect, but that's a nice clean Kaliev that came out of, was it extended series if I remember correctly? Not the biggest name, but... So here we are, the final card. It's not going to be an auto. A Dave Pastrnak for Boston. Even though Boston got knocked out by the Canes. A Gravitas insert. And it's a blue insert, numbered to 25. I'm going to just slit that real quick, just so that way don't ding corners. And is wearing the alternate jersey for Boston with a giant B. So yeah, do a quick recap. And I think I just got the same, or the stated number of cards. The 8 cards, because I've got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 and 8. So here we go, quick recap. You got the Gravitas of Dave Pastrnak for Boston. I don't know if that's Lundqvist or if that's Igor behind them. Got the Josh Norris Proteges insert, and that's a nice clean card. Got the Thomas Harley green parallel for Dallas Stars, 95 of 175. Got the Dylan Cousins, number 33 of 149 green parallel. And I kind of like on the background, it has like a circuit board design up here, or traces, if you will. The next is the Kaliev. So I guess it was an Arthur box, because there's his rookie. And again, it doesn't come off probably across camera that well, but it does have a fairly neat effect to it, but it is dark compared to last year's design. And then finish off with a Kaliev autograph for Protege. Again, not numbered. So it does not have any numbering on it, but so it's hard to tell you how many he may have signed, but it is a nice clean auto. So yeah, that concludes this break of 2020-21 Stature Hockey. So yeah, hope you all have a great rest of your weekend. Enjoy the holiday weekend, and keep collecting.